Yes. The name of the article is moving coil galvanometer. The name of the article is moving coil galvanometer. Last article, generally in short written as MCG. M for moving, C for coil, G for galvanometer. So what do we understand by the term a moving coil galvanometer? Okay, moving coil galvanometer, it is a device. It is a device which is generally useful for detection of current, that is for about very small, यानी बहुत छोटे से छोटे करंट को डिटेक्ट करने में काम में आने वाला इंस्ट्रूमेंट। क्या जानते हैं हम एक मूविंग कॉइल गैल्वेनोमीटर के बारे में? इट इज अ डिवाइस विच इज यूजफुल फॉर डिटेक्शन ऑफ करंट। कितना करंट? फॉर ए वेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट, बहुत छोटे से करंट को डिटेक्ट करने में काम में आने वाला एक डिवाइस। गॉट द आइडिया? इट इज अ डिवाइस विच इज यूजफुल टू डिटेक्ट वेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ करंट। ओके, इट इज जनरली डिजाइन्ड, इसको डिजाइन किया किस साइंटिस्ट ने? इट इज डिजाइन्ड बाय द साइंटिस्ट डी आर्सोनवाल। It is designed, it is put forth by the scientist D. Arsonval. Okay. Generally are of two types. आमतौर पर ये दो टाइप का होता है। One is called as suspended type moving coil galvanometer, whereas the another one is called as pivoted type moving coil galvanometer. In practice, what we used, that is called as suspended type galvanometer. हम लोग आमतौर पर जो प्रैक्टिस में जो गैल्वेनोमीटर इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो कौन सा होता है? इन प्रैक्टिस सस्पेंडेड मूविंग कॉइल गैल्वेनोमीटर इज यूज्ड। ओके, आमतौर पर सस्पेंडेड टाइप गैल्वेनोमीटर को इस्तेमाल करते हैं। सस्पेंड जिसको टांग कर हैंग करके रखा गया है, पिवोटेड जिसको जहां पर प्रेस करके अटैच करके रखा जाता है। नाउ व्हाट डू वी अंडरस्टैंड बाय द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ सस्पेंडेड टाइप गैल्वेनोमीटर? व्हाट इज इट्स कंस्ट्रक्शन? A suspended type galvanometer consists of a thin uniform string whose one end is supported by, जिसका एक एंड किसको सपोर्ट किया है? whose one end is supported by a rigid support, whereas to the string there is some mirror and scale arrangement. इसी स्ट्रिंग को क्या अटैच है? अ मिरर और ए स्केल अरेंजमेंट। द स्ट्रिंग इज अटैच्ड टू अ रेक्टेंगुलर शेप्ड फ्रेम। द string is attached to a rectangular frame consists of large number of turns of wires, okay, named as P, Q, R, S. At the center of the coil there is a iron core which is represented by the factor C. What is the function of iron core? That it keeps the field radial. ये फील्ड को कैसा रखता है? रेडियल रखता है, रिलेटेड टू रेडियस से ताल्लुक रखता है। and it increases, इसका क्या कार्य है, it increases the magnetic lines of forces, magnetic lines of force को increase करता है. ओके, जनरली केप्ट, इसको रखा गया है, जनरली केप्ट इन ए concave shaped horseshoe shaped magnets having north and south pole. Okay, the rectangular coil is also connected to a helical spring through which a current can be passes as shown in the figure. देखो, watch it first. Yes, the working of a moving coil galvanometer. क्या हमने देखा that there is a rectangular coil named as PQRS. There is a rectangular coil PQRS, which is through which, जिसमें से क्या फ्लो रहा है, एक करंट I is flowing. Okay, generally kept in a strong uniform magnetic field represented by the factor B, जिसको एक strong magnetic field B में रखा गया है. The coil have a certain length L having certain breadth B, consists of large number of turns of wires. The coil, it consists of a large number of turns of wires. It is said that whenever we on the supply, what happens? Current start flowing through the coil. Coil में से current pass होगा, and it experiences some amount of torque. फौरन coil को किस बात का आभास होगा, किस बात का एहसास होगा? It experiences some amount of torque or a couple. Okay, that torque is written as, that is N B I into L into B. It means that whenever a current is passes through the coil deflects from its initial position. जैसे इस coil में से current पास किया जाता है तो क्या होता है? Just like a fan, फौरन the coil deflects from its initial position and it starts rotating about its own axis. अपनी axis पर rotate हो रहा है. Why? Because of flowing of current. The torque deflects or the coil deflects. It experiences some amount of torque. That torque is nothing but force into perpendicular distance. In detail, if we write, what do you understand by the torque from the previous standard? Torque is nothing but, it is nothing but force into perpendicular distance. Where the force is acts, the force कहाँ act हो रहा है? The force is acting on a coil. किसी coil पर act हो रहा है. क्या है उस coil में? The coil have number of turns and kept in a uniform magnetic field of induction P, through which a current I is flowing, having certain length L, certain breadth B. Okay, so the torque T is written as NBIA, where A is the area of a coil, and that coil is of rectangular shape. And what is the area of rectangle? That is length into breadth in this way. That's why the torque P can be written as T is equal to NBIA. It is said that, ऐसा भी कहा जाता है that whenever we on the supply, current passes through the coil deflects from its initial position. It means that two torques takes place. One is deflecting torque, one is restoring torque. So the current flowing through the coil can be written as here. The current flowing through the coil, mathematically can written as I is equal to k theta, where I be the current passes through the coil, theta be the deflection produces by the coil. With increase of current, deflection also goes to increases. What is this k? K be the constant factor and it is equal to, yes, NBIA. What is this k? K is the constant factor and it is nothing but k is equal to NBIA. It means that with increase of current, that means the current is related to number of turns, it is related to magnetic field, okay, it is related to area of a coil. This theta, ये theta किससे ताल्लुक रखता है? The deflection of coil, it depends upon these factors, NBIA. Watch it. क्या दिखा सकते हैं आप? K with a constant factor and that constant is nothing but NBA related to current. So that is NAB. And number of turns of coil, A with the area of the coil, B with the magnetic field.